Well, hello everyone, and welcome to Decorating with Barbara. Today we are at Homegoods, and I'm going to share with you guys some outdoor decor. Now, you guys are going to want to stick around until the end because I'm going to share with you some amazing items that I picked up for my upcoming outdoor video. So guys, I've been noticing that these faux plants are very popular this year. I've been seeing them around at many different stores, and the prices are really good for a faux plant that you can use year after year. I've been seeing them in many different colors and variations, so if you're looking for an easy, no fuss way to decorate for the upcoming season, this may be something you might want to look into. Now, if you guys have seen other videos of mine for the outdoors, then you probably would have noticed that I decorate with boxwoods as well, and mine has held up for many years. Now, there's lots of color that I'm seeing for the outdoors this year, so if you're a person who likes to decorate with color, you will not be disappointed. Now, this planter here I thought was very pretty. You can use this on your patio or your front porch, and the actual planter is a dupe from a Pottery Barn planter. And this price was excellent, especially when you get the flowers to come along with it. Now, there's a lot of garden art that you're going to see this season, and they're just fun things to decorate with. This particular one, you can plant a plant inside, and so I thought that was really pretty, and they're just really different options out there. So I think whatever you're looking for, you're probably going to find it this year. Now, this I thought was a very pretty planter. I thought it looked real. And the price was actually pretty good too. For what you get in a planter like this, full with the basket, something that you can just go ahead and place out like on your deck rail, I thought it was a good price. And I thought they looked very realistic. Now, this little planter or vase with flowers, I thought was pretty for the indoors. I like the delicate look of it, but I also thought you can put it in a planter and use it outside as well. And the little planter was $12.99. I think Homegoods has some really excellent prices for their planters this year. This little planter I thought was so cute. I thought this would be great for succulents or any small plant, but I thought succulents would help show off the planter as well. Now, I thought this was really cute. I love the details, but I'm not real sure about ceramics on the outside. Now this I thought was adorable for a dining table on the outside, and it looks realistic to me, and it's a great price. Now these were my favorites. I thought these looked so realistic. These were by Martha Stewart, and I thought they were spot on. I love the color, and they just looked real. The only problem for me is that they were in a rectangular box, and I really wanted something in a round planter. So I decided to keep looking, but I really did like them, and I thought the price was great. I was almost tempted to get this one, but I thought, nope, just wait. Now, I love a good urn, and I thought these were beautiful. I probably would use them more on the inside rather than the outside. Now here's another little planter that I was thinking about, but once again, it's that glazed ceramic, and I'm just not sure how that's going to hold up on the outside. And on my way out, there were more that they were bringing in. So I think these are going to be very popular. So stay on the lookout, guys. All right, guys. So do you remember when I was in HomeGoods and I saw the petunias from Martha Stewart in the rectangular box? And so I really wanted a round container, but they didn't have it. And so I just thought, I told my sister, Martha Stewart is a smart woman. And so if she made a rectangular box with the flowers, somewhere there's a round one. And I headed over to TJ Maxx, and lo and behold, I found it. And so I did find a round container, and I actually picked up two. And these are gonna go outside on my deck. They're gonna hang from the pergola. And they were $29.99 a piece, and they're just perfect. And so guys, they are made of a plastic. You can't really tell unless you're close up on it, but the reason that I pointed that out is because these are going to be so nice and easy to take care of, because if it rains or get dirt or whatever on it from the rain or just being out in the elements, you can just rinse it off. Okay, so next I picked up this bust, and these are very popular in home decor. They come in different colors now, but this one I was going to use on the outside. It's very heavy, which is what you need for the outside, because you need something weighty so it doesn't get blown over. And I think she's really cute. But I did find another one, and I'll show you that in a minute, that I'm going to use on the outside. I think I'm going to use her on the inside, and I may even paint her. I'm not sure, but it's very heavy. It was a good price at $14.99. Okay, so next I picked up this bag of moss. I was going to do a moss bowl on the outside, but then I thought about it might get a little messy and it may not hold up as far as the color. And so I decided to use this inside. But then I had picked up this bowl, and I actually picked up this bowl. This was from the garden section. You may have seen it in Homegoods. And I was gonna use it outside with a real plant. But then when I went to TJ Maxx, I did see something that I can use instead. So this may go back because I'm not real comfortable with the ceramics on the outside. But it is a pretty bowl, and yeah, we'll see. But I'm thinking I might take this back. But if you're interested, it was only $9.99. Okay, so this is the moss bowl that I picked up instead of making the live one for outside. I thought this would be less messy, and it is heavy enough to stay out without blowing over. And I thought this would be nice on the table by the sofa, and this was $16.99. And so I think Martha Stewart is on target with her florals this season. And these are a real touch hydrangea. They're really pretty, and I think they look real. And so I picked these up because I'm going to use these also outside. And yeah, I'm just cutting back on a lot of the real flowers. They can get to be costly, and then these you can use over and over again. And I think these look pretty good. I'm gonna put them in a pot on my front porch, and you guys will see that video coming soon. I just couldn't do it this time because it rained, and then it was cold the day after the rain. So I ended up getting 2 of these bundles, and they were $12.99 each, and they have that real touch feel. Okay, so the last item that I picked up was this planter, and I think this is so pretty. It's very heavy, just as heavy as the other one, but this one I can actually plant something inside. And so that was my thought for this one, was to place one of my ground cover plants inside of this one and just let it spill over. Or if you want, you can use it as a candle holder. I've used it as a candle holder before, but I think I'm going to take it outside. We'll see, but that's my thought process. This one was $9.99. All right, guys, so that's it for the video. Thanks so much for watching, and stay tuned because the front porch outdoor decorating video will be coming up soon. Hopefully, if the weather cooperate, we'll be able to get that video out early this week. So thanks so much, and I hope to see you at my next video. And please subscribe if you haven't already. Bye-bye.